Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another video. For this DIY, we will be modifying a bench that we previously used to store shoes. I will link the original video in the description below. We decided to change the bench because our family outgrew it. We moved our shoe storage onto the door of our downstairs coat closet, and we will be using this bench to store toys. Our daughters are both under 2, but we already have so many toys. This is my own fault though, because I love to find budget-friendly toys on Facebook Marketplace. The first step was taking apart the bench with a hammer, crowbar, and mallet. We used pre-primed polar plywood project panels to create a new front and to cover up the existing sides. We also used skinny wood pieces to add extra strength and to nail into the wood. Next, we used wood glue and a nail gun to secure the new front in place. For the back, we Craig juked holes for the screws. We originally did this due to using soft close cabinet hinges in the back, which you see us installing in the top right corner of the video. This was a stunning misadventure because the top would slam. These hinges are actually made for cabinet doors that move side to side. If you were to create something similar, we would recommend installing gas strut soft close hinges like we did instead, because they can be used on wood openings that move up and down. Next, we used wood filler on the top for all the holes and sanded it down once dried. We used painter's caulking to cover up the gaps. The last steps included installing the top and hinges. We used scrap wood from another project for the top of the bench and stained it with early American. We used 2 1.5-inch hinges on the back and a strut soft close hinge on the side. We hope that you enjoyed this video and got inspired in some way. We will see you next time.